I intended to do 15 days, but I stayed up much longer because I enjoy it. I have been in around now 25 places in China. I've been in Xi'an, Wuhan, in Wenzhou, in Hainan Island, and many other places. The things that fascinates me about China is your culture and your history and archaeology, and also the sense of security. You feel very safe in China, and also the cleanliness. Everything is clean, like public transport, trains, the streets. I found a really good stay here. I would like to suggest other people to come visit China more.